Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's intraday analysis video, brought to you by the creators of proprietary price, pattern, and time methodology. Learn the PPT strategies and profit for life. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. All right, guys, into the charts we go today. Today's date is Wednesday, March 13th, 2013. The markets are neutral to positive. You can see we're coming off the high pivot here. And again, the levels I have given you in this intraday analysis video, and this is the free video. Imagine what you get in the pro video in the research center. But bottom line is, it's second to none. Yesterday we talked about a down day occurring. That's exactly what we got. I kept on telling you guys this trend line stretching all the way back here. Take a look at this. All the way back basically 2 weeks ago was the level to watch. We hammered on it. Yesterday we broke below it. Look at the highs today. Literally the first candle of the day kisses that line. Right over here again, and right over again here again. Each time it's selling off after it hits that level. This is an absolutely beautiful trend line that must be admired by everyone who's a technical analyst or technician of the markets. Any way you cut it, it is a beautiful thing. And again, notice the market selling off just a little bit off of this level as it comes back in. What I also love about the last sell-off here, right off of this double top, look at him coming right into this pivot high from just a little while ago. From yesterday, guys. And that is a thing of beauty. All right, just to notice that double top there, that trend line tagged again, they come and coincide at the exact same point, and sure enough, the market's pulling back off of it. Now again, the markets have floated up here because you still have that buy the dip light volume mentality. We've only done 59 million today on the SPY. But, any way you cut it again, folks, this market is just a thing of beauty. It's a great trading market. I've traded Apple alone today about 6 different times here on a scalping basis. And I want to show you this, guys. Take a look right here. So Apple, again, right here. Let me just draw this trend line right in. I want to draw this right in for you guys. Take a look right here and then right here. All right, so basically you had a trend line connecting these first 2 points. That was the low of the day. If you connect the first and the third point, you get a little bit of a pivot right there. Notice as soon as we break above that, you get the buy program in Apple. And again, I played it to the upside here. Then I played it again. See this bullish consolidation hugging the 50 MA with the 20 sloping up? That was another amazing trend line setup. Popped right there. I sold right there. Then you got a bullish pattern right here. Perfect bull flag into the 20 MA. That's a perfect time count. Played it again to the upside. I just scalped it off the 20 MA here. Pearson got a bounce as well. But again, the plays here on Apple intraday are just phenomenal. Overall, Apple's having an okay day. It's up $3.75. But as a scalp, it is just awesome. Absolutely awesome here as a scalping play. All right, a couple other stocks in motion today, guys. New swing trade alerts have triggered inside the research center, so log in ASAP to get those. Beautiful little setups right there that we should make some good money on over the next few days. And again, if you're a member of the research center for swing traders and really day traders as well, but swing traders, investors, and even a little day trader, that is the action you want to be involved in. That's where you want to learn these proprietary techniques that allow us to literally make money on Apple over and over again intraday, maximizing profits, and also take swing trades that are just no-brainers. Great swing trades out there right now. Major levels getting tagged. Market starting to roll over. Look at Apple actually rolling over as well as we speak. So very nice to see that as well. All right. Taking a look at a couple other stocks out there. IBM has hit a new all-time high today. New all-time high at 112.10. Pivot high. I gave the research center that exact price point to the penny. No, not a penny above, not a penny below. That exact price point. It is a thing of beauty to be able to nail the market to the penny. Just like yesterday, a couple days before that, I said that was going to be a down day. Turned out to be a down day. The accuracy is unparalleled. Bottom line, there's no hedge fund, there's no mutual fund, there's no money manager, there's no even Icon/Ackman nonsense that are calling levels like this. This is a pride and joy of InTheMoneyStocks.com PPT methodology. That's all it comes down to. All right, take a look here. JP Morgan Chase. JPM is flat on the day. Again, the fact that JPM is looking a little weaker here could be telling us the market could get a little bit weaker as well. With the market slightly higher, JPM is basically flat. It's not a major divergence here. here, but it is something you want to pay attention to in the short run just to be aware of. The only thing I would say is monitor this. Let me just put in a couple trend lines for you guys here. Let me erase this trend line. And what you want to do is kind of just monitor this area right here, connecting the lows of the day. See how you hammered on it and bounced. If you break through this line, you actually should see a sell-off down into this range on JPM. All right, so again, towards the end of the day, watch this trend line. As long as it holds, this market can hold up and won't sell. If JPM breaks there, my expectation would be that JPM will sell off down here, and the market should come in a little bit more as well. So keep an eye on that. Goldman Sachs today up 35 cents. Started out lower, rallied higher. Now is getting weaker again. Still holding the intraday 50 MA right there. Not too shabby of a level across the board. Let's take a look at a couple other stocks. What other stocks are making moves out there? Baidu had a nice move today. Almost got to a double bottom down here. And again, you can see this little double bottom right here. Very, very close. Didn't quite tag it. You actually have a short-term bottoming tail right now on Baidu, depending on where it closes. We should pay attention to that. Could be a long trade in the short run. We talked about Apple already. Amazon's up slightly on the day. Chevron, Exxon flat to positive. Google's down a little bit. Google continues to consolidate and continues to look bullish on the daily. As long as it doesn't close below 822. 822 is your pivot point. If it closes below that, it could go down very, very quickly and collapse. As long as it stays above there, you could actually see Google continue to move higher all the way to about the 860, 865 level, maybe even higher than that. Okay? So that's what we're seeing there. What else do we have here? JPM now down 2 cents. So, I mean, this is getting interesting on JPM intraday. I mean, it's coming right back into these levels. Not there yet, but getting very, very close. Scalp-wise, been a great scalping day in the Intra Day Stock Chat. Swing trade-wise, there's swing trades every single day that are getting triggered, it seems like, recently. Money, just, again, there for the taking if you want it. We encourage you to come join us. Take the 7-day free trial. It's free trial, 7-day free trial to the Research Center, which again is geared towards swing traders and investors. You get swing trade alerts live. You get Research Center videos every single day, market analysis, you name it, you get it basically. Again, it's a great way to enjoy and profit every single day in the markets as an investor or a swing trader. JPM, look at this, guys. This is interesting. This is extremely interesting. Let's take a look at the spiders here. And you can see the spider's still hanging in there even with JPM, but JPM's a leading indicator. So again, if JPM is able to save itself here, then don't even think about it. I mean, then the markets could float up. But if it can't, we could be looking at a little bit more kind of weakness showing up in this market. And that could be very interesting, very, very interesting going into the future trading days the rest of this week. Remember, it is options X2, and there you see the spider start to tick down. Do you guys see how JPM is the leading indicator on that? I mean, it's really kind of cool. Look at JPM, and then the spiders just literally, probably about 30 seconds later, started to downtick. If you want to be a trader, I think if you wanted to trade the SPY, the S&P 500, you could probably just trade it off purely JPM and catch it on the front side. It's a great way to trade and just profit, guys. All right, I'm going to get going. I got to get back to trading here with my members. We're making good money today. Again, come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Start profiting for life.